My niece and I love frozen treats, especially when the weather gets warm, so we're excited today to make some popsicles using these ice pop molds that were gifted to us by TCP Global. This pack comes with 18 molds in three different colors. There's a pack of six white molds, six blue molds, and six red molds. The box even comes with three matching star-shaped bases to set the molds on while they freeze. We're going to go ahead and make some popsicles. We'll start by setting up the molds and standing them into the base. Make sure to press down in each one of them to ensure that they're secured into the base. Next, we're going to throw an assortment of chopped frozen fruit into a single serve cup, add some orange juice, and then blend it together into a smoothie consistency. Then we'll carefully distribute the smoothie mixture into each of the molds until they're about 95% full. Then we'll insert a stick with the handle into each mold. Once again, we're pressing down firmly to make sure that everything is secure. Now all we need to do is place the molds into the freezer, making sure that they're all standing upright. 3 hours later, all the ice pops are completely frozen. To start enjoying them, we'll run each under some warm water for a few seconds just to loosen things up. The mold detaches very easily, and now we have a delicious treat that the whole family can enjoy.